I am G and F and MC Davis, and I'm back for another video. And this time I go teach you how to make a paper rocket launcher. You want to see first, you need to get some TNT, the most importantly, and don't forget to get a button, dispenser. Let's see, you need what? And some blocks. Let's see, candy block. This also can. And water bucket. Now let's. If you love this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And I will get my own next 2 days. And if I get some likes, so I can make more videos and I can get things. So when I do finish this one, then I will be back. Now I will put all the dispenser right here. Now you just need to put all 2 TNT at least. Okay, let me put almost done. I wish you can smash the like button, and I will get more video. And done. Now you just need to, let's see, where is all the things? So yes, you just need to put all it up there, side of the things. Those I also need to put. And let's see, done. Let's put here. And use redstone all over the block. Okay, let me off first. You no need to put anything. You just go down. Just put one and up. Then just press it. Then you can see that it will fly up very high. You can see now. It's very good. And